Dear viewers, we are here at AMOB India Inauguration, and I am here with Mr. Manuel António Barros, the owner and operations director AMOB Group. Congratulations for the...
Thank you very much, thank you.
I would like to ask the question how AMOB Group started, what is the heritage behind it, so that viewers can get a really story about that.
Absolutely. So AMOB Group started 66 years ago.
Okay.
It was founded by my grandfather, actually, and it is a story of a resilient man in Portugal in the late 50s that wanted to do better.
Okay.
My grandfather had experience working in some factories, and he had contact with a very early manual tube bending machine at the time from a French manufacturer, and he realized when operating that machine that he could do better. So with the typical Portuguese style at the time, he just started to do a prototype. Out of that prototype, 10 machines were ordered at the time, and AMOB was born, basically. And this was 66 years ago.
Long time ago. Now, what does this opening of this facility represent for AMOB global expansion strategy?
So, in the last few years, we have been developing a very important and powerful strategy to expand worldwide. This facility is very, very important for the actions we want to take, not only in India, but in the Asian market as a whole. So, this facility marks one of the first steps of the strategy we are implementing, and that we will be implementing in the next few years. And it's definitely going to be reminded as one of the most important steps we gave when we look back in the future.
And why did AMOB choose to invest in India at this stage of company's growth?
So India is a very vibrant market. When visiting India, we do understand, and it's very easy to realize that there is a huge potential in this market for the next decades. India actually concentrates a lot of the industrial sectors that require tube bending machine. It's not one, it's not two, it's not five sectors. There are many sectors. And like I told before, the potential of India in the next coming decades, it's really huge. And so, we felt, I guess, a good connection also in India. It felt right. We felt very welcomed by people and customers. And so when we feel good about this type of things, we usually give a step forward.
And how does this Indian manufacturing industry compare to other international market where AMOB operates?
So, obviously, India, being not geographically very close to Europe, and specifically to Portugal, where we have the factory, and knowing that we have to support our customers at a very high level, this facility is going to be differentiated from the others in a way that we will combine even more technical expertise here to better support our customers, so they feel a little bit closer to AMOB and to the factory, even if they are further away from Europe and from Portugal.
As you spoke about covering Asia, and how will this facility strengthen AMOB's ability to serve customers across Asia and other international markets?
So, like I told you, for the first few steps, our goal is to really strengthen our position in the Indian market. That's what we are focused at the moment, and the rest of the Asian markets are coming in the second place. Like I told you before, by bringing the expertise and the technical people we want to bring together in this facility. We want, to create a hub that's very, very, very similar with the experience that our customers have, namely in Europe, by attending the factory. So it's really about getting really expertise and technical people in this facility to support our customers.
And one last question for you. I will not take much of your time as you are busy in the inauguration of this state-of-the-art facility. One word to describe this facility.
So, if I had to choose one word to describe this facility, I would choose fundamental.
Fundamental. Why is that so?
Because I think really this facility is fundamental for our future growth. Not only in the Indian market, not only in the Asian market, but in the global market as a whole.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. João Silva, Sales Director at AMOB Group. Hello, Mr. João.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. So, here are a few questions for you. Okay. As a sales director, how important is the Indian market in AMOB's global growth strategy?
Well, India for us it's an incredible market. We started 2 years ago, more or less, and it has been a great experience, and we are growing at a very good rhythm. For us, before the installation of AMOB India facility, our market was mainly Europe and North America. But we quickly discovered that Indian market has a lot of potential, and of course with the right contacts here in India we were able to give the first steps, and we are in a very good path at the moment.
And what trends are you seeing in the Indian manufacturing industry that makes this the right time to establish local presence in India?
Well, definitely the biggest trends in India, which concerns to our type of products, are the aerospace industry and also the automotive industry. These are two main sectors where we want to focus in, and we have the perfect solutions for tube forming. Not only tube bending, but also end forming solutions, so we can cover a lot of applications in these two sectors. But there are more. There is the shipyard sector, there is the boiler and oil and gas industry, which we also have solutions, and we can find in India a very good place for that.
And which industries in India, you covered few industries like automotive and EV. So which industry in India do you believe will benefit the most from the AMOB tube and profile bending technologies?
Well, so far in the last month we have been giving important steps in the aerospace industry, and this is our main focus at the moment. We already have very good customers that will work as good references to impulse our presence here in India, and this at the moment is our main sector, the aerospace. We are also doing some important stuff in the automotive, and this is where we want to focus at first, and then we want to give the next steps for other sectors. So I would identify these two as the mainly ones, for sure.
Okay. One word to describe this facility.
Well, it would be pride, definitely. I'm very proud of what we achieved here, and all the credits go to our AMOB India team because they did an amazing job here so far. So I'm proud for sure.
And where do you see AMOB India in 5 years?
Well, we have established a very clear milestone for AMOB India. We want to become one of the top players in tube bending industry here in India. So in 5 years, I have no doubts that we will become one of the top players in tube bending applications here.
Okay. Thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. We are at AMOB India inauguration, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, we welcome you to the inauguration of AMOB India, Chakan. And I am here with Mr. Deven Mukherjee, the director of AMOB India. Congratulations, Mr. Deven.
Thank you, Alok. Thank you.
So I would like to ask you a few questions which are related to the Indian market.
Okay.
AMOB Machine India, what strategic importance does this new facility hold for AMOB Group long-term vision and growth plans in India?
Okay. So we started our facility in 2024 onwards, and this is very critical strategic move by AMOB Group. So we have analyzed that AMOB was missing the major market, and AMOB is very well-known brand in the Europe, as you might have seen in our slides.
Yes.
So in 2020, before COVID, we were in plan that whether we should have partnership with Indian channel partner or we should directly invest in India. So it took 4 years, but yes, we are happy that we have invested in India, and from India we are going to cater Indian market as well as Asian market.
Okay. We'd like the viewers would like to know more about details about the new facility, about the infrastructure what we have here, and what are the capabilities it will support for the customers in India.
Okay, so this basically this facility we built with the aim to support our customer who wanted to develop a new part, who wanted to enter into the new segment, into the tube forming applications. So with this plant we are going to keep around 5 to 6 machines from varieties of range, and where our customers are welcome to take the trials before even they decide to go with those industries or with AMOB. And we are going to focus fully electric tube bending machine, the hydraulic tube bending machine, fully electric end forming machine, and combination of electric and hydraulic end forming machine.
What products and technology solutions will be showcased and supported from this facility? Which industry is going to benefit the most?
So with our machines, we are targeting to provide the solutions mainly for the aerospace industry, because they need precision and repeatability. We are focusing on shipyard and defense industry because they are doing or bending large tubes, and AMOB is very good on large machines. As well as we are eventually target our customers who are into data centers and HVAC applications, because those applications are in demand in Indian market, and those customers need repeatability and performance guarantee. And with our machine, with our fully electric machine, we can assure that we have those kind of commitment to give our customers.
Then the viewers should also like to know why Chakan as a place for this manufacturing hub, and how does it align with your business objective?
So why we choose Chakan? The reason is pretty much simple, that you might be knowing that Pune is called mechanical hub for India, and in around Pune market we have great access of port, which is in Mumbai. We have good connections from Mumbai airport as well, and the major customers are related to aerospace, automotive, furniture are within our density of the Pune location. So we decided, instead of going other industry like other cities like Bangalore or Hyderabad, we should jump to Pune.
And what message would like to give it to your customers, future employees, partners, who will be part of this exciting journey?
Tricky question, but look, I will welcome all of the industry partners who wanted to be the partner of growth in the forming technology, and AMOB here to grow with people, and we wanted our customer to grow, because if my customer grows, we will grow, and if we will grow, the people associated with AMOB or stakeholder of AMOB will grow. So definitely my message would be, let's work together to grow together.
And what would be the workforce what this facility will be having?
In coming 3 to 5 years, I can say we will have around, let's say, somewhere around 50 to 60 people because we have good plans to implement. It is too early to comment, but I can assure you that we have good vision for the Indian market, and we have some specific product for Indian market coming years.
One word to describe about this facility that comes to your mind.
I'm proud of this facility, and when I joined AMOB, I thought it will take around 3 to 4 years to have this big facility, but it is really nice to have this kind of facility within 18 months.
That's really nice. And where do you see AMOB India in 5 years? That's the last question we have.
We will be top 2 supplier of tube bending machine in India.
And thank you for your time. So I could see you were busy, very busy with all the customers. There are many customers, and all the best from the Mix Media team. Thank you. Thanks for inviting us.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, welcome to the inauguration of AMOB India facility in Chakan Pune. I am here with Mr. Venkatesh Mudragala, co-founder and CEO JEH Aerospace. Welcome to the inauguration, Mr. Venkatesh.
Thank you.
What does this inauguration of AMOB's manufacturing facility India mean to the customers like you?
No, I think it's very interesting from our perspective. If you look at in aerospace industry, tubes fabrication and the ancillary processes are a very niche commodity. Till now, we didn't have any meaningful presence in India. We were very dependent upon manufacturers from the West to do it. AMOB's initiative to get this to India is a step closer to help us in localizing a lot of production here.
All right. How do you think the manufacturing facility will improve support, delivery timelines, and overall customer experience for you?
So I think one of the things that we have observed over the period of time, especially with equipment like tube bending, there needs to be a lot of trials, a lot of variations in the tooling that it comes with, for which a lot of testing used to happen back in Portugal when we used to work with AMOB. Okay. I think having a facility here, having a technical center here and assistance locally, what will it help is to reduce all of these trial time to a very minimal level, which will of course help us in industrializing the components faster, which will help us serve our customers very quickly.
So we have visited the facility over here.
Yes.
And what aspect of this facility excites you the most?
No, I think very impressive facility, and especially I'm very impressed with Manuel and Deven's vision of how they want to turn this facility into with multiple centers, ability to produce the local tooling here, doing lots of prototyping, tooling, etc. So I think that's pretty exciting for consumers of AMOB machines like us.
Good to know the excitement among you, and thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.